Question number 1. Which planet is known as the red planet? A, Earth, B, Mars, C, Venus. Question number 2. What is the capital of France? A, Paris, B, London, C, Rome. Question number 3. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A, elephant, B, tiger, C, lion. Question number 4. How many continents are there in the world? A, 5, B, 6, C, 7. Question number 5. Which is the largest ocean on Earth? A, Atlantic, B, Pacific, C, Indian. Question number 6. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? A, Neil Armstrong, B, Buzz Aldrin, C, Yuri Gagarin. What is the largest animal on Earth? A, elephant, B, blue whale, C, giraffe. Question number 8. Which language has the most native speakers? A, English, B, Spanish, C, Mandarin Chinese. Question number 9. Which country is known for the Great Wall? A, Japan, B, China, C, India. Question number 9. Which country is known for the Great Wall? A, Japan, B, China, C, India. Question number 10. How many days are there in a leap year? A, 365, B, 366, C, 364.